Kuringana na riboti kuma kuri Ministry ya Githomo ni ati Nyandarua ni imwe ya kaunti iria citarĩ university ya mũingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, na ũguo ĩgakorwo ĩrĩ makinya maigana ũna thutha maũndũ megemainie na gĩthomo. No kuringana na Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha ni ati matina ma kwambatiria ngathĩ thukuru ũyũ wa Nyandarua Institute nginyagia gĩkĩro kĩa polytechnic ya kĩbũrũri marorete kũgomana, akiuga ũndũ ũyũ ũrorete gũkinyanĩra ica ikuhĩ.
For this county, since it does not have a university, and as a policy from His Excellency the President, we will declare this the next National Polytechnic and work with it to maintain the standards that are required for a National Polytechnic. In this regard, we shall start immediately with ensuring that the requirement that is required to enrich the faculty is employed immediately.
Magoha augete thukuru uyu ni ukinyanirie ikiro iria ciandikithitio ni thirikari.
You have been with me, those who have walked around with me have seen that the buildings are in excellent state. There are a few things that they have to do to work to the level that I want as a person. You have seen the equipment, starting from the farming equipment, the agricultural engineering equipment. You have gone to the electrical one, and also to the building and construction one. And you can see that the equipment is there.
Akiaria hindi ya icera thukuru-ini uyu, Magoha hamwe nao Minister wa Maĩ Cecily Kariuki na mujumbe wa Oljorok Michael Muchira maugite itacukia riri rigukorwo riri na uguni munene kuri muingi wa kaunti ino itemi-ini ria kugacirithia uheani wa kothi cia moko.
What that means for us is that we will be able to also participate in terms of developing skills that are required in the marketplace, and particularly the ones that are tangible to get out there for people to set themselves up.
Githomo kiria kirathomo thiku ici ni githomo skill based. Koguo ni kuga ati mwana arabatara athome, arikia guthoma uma ja ndarathi gwetha wira, arathondeka wira akandika andu. Na institute ino yatuika National Polytechnic ni kuga ni igukorwo ikiadmit ciana kuma all corners cia bururi.
Ino yatuo National Polytechnic tauga ati ni twa upgrade skills citu, ni twa upgrade skills citu haria anake, haria iretu, haria mariuka guku.
Ngiribotere Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.